Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have a Google form, now you start embedding it. First, open the form, click Send, then the embed icon and copy the iframe HTML. Next, in WordPress go to Pages and edit the page where the form will live. Make sure you have editor access and a block or HTML widget ready. This is why permissions matter. Once done, switch to the text or HTML editor in WordPress so you can paste raw iframe code without the visual editor stripping attributes. Now paste that iframe into a custom HTML block or the text tab if you use Classic Editor. You can edit width and height values directly. Set width to 100% for responsive layout and change height to suit form length. If your theme strips iframes, switch to a shortcode or use a plugin that allows raw HTML. Also consider wrapping the iframe in a div with max width and aspect ratio CSS to keep it proportional. This prevents scroll bars and improves mobile usability. Finish by previewing and publishing the page. Submit a test response to confirm entries reach Google Forms. If the iframe is blocked, try a trusted plugin that embeds Google Forms or use the Forms share link inside a button as fallback. Make sure your site runs HTTPS to avoid mixed content blocks. And if styles look off, add simple CSS or inspect theme rules. If things go wrong, clear caches and disable conflicting plugins. This usually reveals the culprit and gets your form working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.